Let's take an example. We have three statements here, P, Q, R. P states that X is a real number. For Q, maths is easy. And R tells that today is a holiday. So we will have to write all of these expressions in verbal form. So this is P or Q. Remember, this is OR. So what will happen? Between P and Q, we will just put OR. Just copy the P statement. X is a real number. Or what is Q? Maths is easy. So just remember to put this OR as a connector between these two statements. So in this entire exercise, we'll have to put the connectors. Now, what is this? This is nothing but AND. So we will have to put AND here. And same statement will copy. Third one, what do we have? This is not, negation. So not. So P is, X is a real number. So we will put X is not a real number. And what is this? This is AND. So we'll say AND. Just copy whatever R statement is. R is today is a holiday. Today is a holiday. Let's take the fourth one. Q. What is Q statement? Maths is easy. And what is this? This is nothing but AND. So we'll first put AND as a connector. There is not R. That is negation of statement R. R is today is a holiday. So it would be today is not a holiday because it's negative R. And this is Q. So we just write Q as is. Maths is easy. Now let's take the next example. This is OR. Anything that looks like V, right? It's OR. Anything that looks like the reverse of V is AND. So P or R. So we'll have to have OR between P and R. P is, we'll just have P statement, write the P statement here, or R statement. Just copy R statement. And we also have if-then condition here, if-then condition. So when we have if-then condition, we'll have to put if in the beginning and then just before statement Q. So if, it will be like this, if X is a real number or today is a holiday, then maths is easy. What is Q? Maths is easy. So these connectors we'll have to remember. Now in this case, in this example, P bidirectional Q. So what is bidirectional Q? If and only if. First we'll write statement P, which is X is a real number. Now what should come? If and only if. If and only if. Now this is P. If and only if Q. What is Q? Maths is easy. Just copy that. Then we have or R. So let's put or. R is today is a holiday. So now what does this example say? P or R. This is OR, this is AND, and this is negation. So we will write P statement. X is a real number. Now what should come? OR. R. R is today is a holiday. Then we have AND. Negation of Q. Maths is easy. So negation of Q would be maths is not easy. So X is a real number or today is a holiday and maths is not easy. The last one, P and not Q. What is P? X is a real number and not Q. What is not Q? Q is maths is easy and maths is not easy. So we have finished this. Now there is a conditional R. So whenever there is conditional, this is nothing but if then. So what does it mean? So we need to start this. So we need to start this with if. If X is a real number and maths is not easy, then we will have to negate R. R is today is a holiday. Negation of R is today is not a holiday. Today is not a holiday. So we have P and negation of Q. P is X is a real number. Negation of Q is maths is not easy. And we have conditional sign here. So we'll have to put if then. So we'll have to put if here and we need to put then. Where do we have to put then? Just before this particular statement R. Just before R we'll have to put then. Then today is not a holiday. Let us take an example where we have to symbolize the following propositions. So we have 3x is equal to 9 and x less than 7. So let's take 3x is equal to 9 as P and x less than 7 as Q. So we have and here. So what is and? This is the notation for it. So the answer is P and Q. Second one. Let's take this as P and this as Q. We have OR. So this is the notation for OR. So this is the answer. So here is another example. If two numbers are equal, then their squares are not equal. So two numbers are equal. This is one statement. Say it's P. Squares are not equal. Their squares are not equal. This statement is Q, but there is not. So we'll make it as not Q. So, and there is also if and then, which means there is a conditional sign here. So this is going to be P conditional not Q. If oxygen is a gas, then gold is a compound. Let's symbolize this. Oxygen is a gas. So P is, we'll have to write this. Let P be oxygen is a gas and Q be gold is a compound. So we'll write P, Q and they are connected with if then. So we'll have this notation. P conditional of Q.